In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to fix Steam download speed drops to 0 issue. So it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch the whole video in its entirety, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So, firstly, initiate a search for Internet Properties, and once you're there, navigate to Connections tab. Now, click on LAN settings and simply disable this option. Afterward, hit cancel and close the window. If the first method doesn't work, let's move on to the second one. Return to settings, click on downloads and select clear cache. Confirm this action by clicking confirm. This will clear your local download cache, and you'll need to log into Steam again. This should resolve the issue. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.